I was not able to practice that anything what I have learned like in MP. It was such a good opportunity that I even told her that I would not do that because doctor should not trust me. She's the one who told me that you can do that and kaya mo yan. I got that very big confidence na kaya ko pala to. She's the only head nurse giving me that opportunity. And
di ba binigyan mo na akong award?
o tama na yun. And I am so lucky that there was even some time that I got an issue in the security, but she went out of her way with the tired eyes with her abaya. She went out just to reach me out in the villa, and I really did not imagine that I did not know her yet personally, but she defended me. I cannot imagine that she trusted me that way, despite of it. I've known that some endorsements maybe she heard, but the trust that I cannot imagine that she has the point is that she trusted family issue. And I would like to thank Dr. Risa also. She's silent, but when I came there on duty, madaldal na rin siya. And she is very much willing to share his knowledge and lahat ng mga techniques and abilities that she can offer. She gives it all to me, and I appreciate that so much. I will carry all abilities and responsibilities wherever I will be. And finally, to Mami, thank you for giving me the wings. Sobrang wings talaga siya. Hindi lang chicken wings.
Okay.
And ang dami pa. So my dearest friends, lahat kayo friends ko, but I have dearest friends and which is always with me during Fridays. We're not perfect. We have some escapades too. We're not that very honestly, but we have different personalities. We are unique, but we still, despite of our things, we understand each other and we respect each other. Despite of our kadaldalan, we still unite bago kami umalis. And I want you to know na mahal naman ko kayo lahat. I cannot stay this long. I cannot stay this long without your support and their comfort during my sobrang hirap na panahon. I got a mother, I got a sister, ang dami nila. And mahal naman ko silang lahat. Tsaka huwag kayong mag-away. Huwag kayong mag-away. And sa lahat of yung mga hindi ko gano'ng close, and to the newcomers, Ma'am Ani has so much to impart. Sabi ko lang sa inyo lahat na be interested, and lagi siyang nag-listen sa inyo kahit ano pang sabihin niyo hindi niyo kaya. She's always there na kayang-kaya niyo yan, at may pakpak na tayo at kaya na natin lumipad. Don't be scared of any responsibilities that she will give it to you. And wala na ako nakalimutan. Thank you po.